Hi everyone, welcome back to Asedo's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Khudhra Thabiekh, also known as Molokhia or Jute Leaves Stew. This comforting and flavorful dish is enjoyed across Sudan, South Sudan, and many parts of the Middle East and North Africa, with each region adding its own unique touch. I'll show you how I prepare this delicious stew step by step using simple ingredients. You can find the full list of ingredients plus quantities used in the description box below, so let's get started. I heat some oil and add the onions. I add a little salt at this point and continue frying them until they start browning. Once the onions start browning, I add the meat. I also add coriander powder, cinnamon, black pepper, vegeta, water and ginger and mix to combine. The meat is still frozen, but that's okay. I'll cook this on medium for 10 minutes. At this point, I break up the meat, then flip it and do the same on the other side. You may need to do this a couple of times for the meat to fully separate. Now that the meat is fully defrosted, I add the tomatoes, mix to combine and let it cook on medium for 35 to 40 minutes or until the meat is cooked but still firm. I check after half an hour. The meat is almost ready at this point, but before adding more water, I mash the onions into a paste. This will form our stew base. I continue cooking this for 10 more minutes. I add garlic and cumin powder along with the jute leaves and mix to combine. I bring the pot to a boil on high and let it simmer on low for 15 minutes. I now adjust salt to taste and allow a minute or two for it to blend in, then I turn the heat off and serve. The stew is so tasty and the aroma in the kitchen is filled with the warm earthy scent of cumin powder and aromatic garlic. It pairs well with kisra, rice, injera or bread rolls. I hope you try this delicious South Sudanese recipe and enjoy it as much as my family does. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe if this is the sort of content you'd like to follow. Thanks for stopping by and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.